What's up, y'all? I'm finna show y'all how we can make this text look a lot more interesting using Adobe Illustrator. Let's do it. All right, as you can see, we got three types of text here. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a circle, just like that. I'm holding down the shift key to make sure that it's the perfect diameter. We're gonna put that right on top of round, just like that. Next, what I'm gonna do is grab the ellipse, hold down the control key, y'all, hold it down, and I'm gonna click on the text that says round. So we got both of these selected. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop down the object, and I'm gonna Envelop Distort, and I'm gonna make with top object. Bam. Look at that. Round. But wait, there's more. Next, we're gonna try it with a triangle. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my polygon tool, and I'm just gonna click right on top of here and make sure we had three sides. Hit OK. It's a little small, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the selection tool, and I'm gonna go right here holding the shift key, and I'm gonna enlarge it so that it's bigger than the Triforce. Just like before, I'm gonna grab my polygon shape, and then I'm gonna grab where it says Triforce, go down to object, go down to Envelop Distort, make with top object. Now we got this Triforce triangle type joint going on. Bam. All right, we're not done yet though. Let's see something that's also cool. Now we're gonna go with super wavy. Now we're gonna make this text look like it's going like that. So we're gonna go ahead and go with the rectangle tool. We'll put a rectangle in front of it. Now this rectangle ain't wavy. We gotta make it wavy. So what we're gonna do is go to Effect, then we're gonna go to Warp, and then we're gonna go to Flag, and that's gonna make it wavy. Make it wavy, however you want, however wavy you want it to be. And then just hit OK when you're ready. Next, we got to make sure that this is the official shape. Right now, it's still a rectangle shape with just an effect applied. So we want to expand this shape. We're going to go to Object, and then we're going to go to Expand Appearance. Bam. Now we got the shape how we want it to be. And then from there, we're just going to go back to our text, super wavy. Go to our path shape, which is this flag joint. Go down to Object, go down to Envelop Distort, go to Make with top object. And that's just how you make your text look a little bit better, make it look a little bit doper. If you want more tips, check the next video. Peace out.